Where's the main organizer? Where's Tanuj?
He's the main organizer.
Yeah, get everybody's view about it. Starting with the women.
Okay.
What about Women's Day?
I thought you girls wanted equality.
ಅವ್ರ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು.
Till end of the day,
tell me what
Gold necklace, congratulations.
Men are good. I don't think they're bad.
Everyone's beautiful.
Feel good going close to the camera.
that's projecting.
Women's Day from Big Room.
Thank you.
Tell us what's because we men do not know what's it to be a woman. Tell us. We would love to know that. Oh yeah, and bold and beautiful ladies at Big Room. Tell us.
Tell you what, tell you the torment that we go through, tell you the trauma that we go through.
Everyone
All the
goes
perks
through.
of life,
Everyone goes through that.
Just like, must be like the same, I'm sure.
You might face different torment, but everyone faces it.
Is it easier being a woman?
If you're prettier.
Ouch.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not defining what is
But it is,
ugly
yeah.
and what is not.
Okay,
For
yeah.
me, everyone's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone is beautiful, but the society doesn't work like that.
Society doesn't work like
Society doesn't work like that. It's disgusting.
Okay, what are the perks that you get? Do you get any perks in office or at in normal everyday life?
Yeah, being ogled by men is like such a good
Being
ogled by men all the time.
Okay.
It's like great.
Okay.
Validation, 24/7.
is it Nita? No. Why is there a difference of opinion here?
It depends on women. They have different opinions.
Woman is not.
They want
Generalized
every woman
opinion.
to
They do not have a
the
generalized
same,
opinion. Then how are we supposed to understand them? And if they do not understand you?
You're not supposed to.
Yeah, we are from a
men
different
will never
planet.
understand.
We are from a different planet.
Society gives you these stereotypes and frames to look at the world from. But it depends on you if you want to look through that or you want to create your own.
What about you, Siddhant? What do you think? I don't know about different genders and what.
Gender is something you make up in your head.
Yeah,
And what about it?
I don't know. What's your opinion on women facing problems? Is it only the women or even men face problems?
Everyone, both genders.
Yeah, and we fail to
I
understand.
have a small problem. I cannot just step out of my house and 2 o'clock in the night. You can.
No, even I'd be mugged. I'd be robbed. Yeah, I have the same problems.
I'm talking about that aspect. I'm talking about safety.
Well, even men. Okay, even you, what makes you think that men are safe? Do all men have that innate ability to harass women, or is it only some specific guys?
Some specific, not all men are.
Why don't you harass men back?
Yeah. Because we have
I
the.
don't want to harass people, dude.
Because
Basic answer.
you women have sharper minds. You women
I don't want to
have.
harass people.
You
It's as simple as that.
no, it's just fighting back. Fighting back. Fighting back. It's just fighting back.
But not fighting back is not harassing the man back.
Harassing. You harass him for being. No, harass him for
harassment.
harass him for being
do
sexist.
it?
Expose him. Harass him for being sexist. That's what you
No,
need.
I obviously call people out on their
That
bullshit,
might
but
be.
there's certain places where you just.
Okay.
I shall take your advice into consideration of harassing men.
You should.
Send nudes.
Everything is getting recorded over there.
Please, Dhanush, we really miss you. At least that would help.
Yeah, to cope with our sadness.
Yeah. Nidal cries every day. I'm not even kidding.
It's 9739.
I'll try.
Flash on
Flash, at least flash on camera a little bit. So much.
There's no that's paid. Only if you pay.
Subscription.
Subscription required.
Only fans account. Okay, how much, dude? I'll send mine. How much? You just tell me how much.
You first transfer. You transfer it.
How much is it, Dhanush? Flash, dude. Once. Come on. Wow, so benevolent. Yeah, what's the code? No.
I'll tell you what. The guy who you do not like tries to flirt. I think probably will it. You know, would you feel
Sweet
it like
talk is fine. Nobody has an issue with sweet talk. It's when
the guy you hate is
It's just annoying, but it's not harassing.
okay? Okay.
Yeah, you'll be like, oh, please just shut up, but no harassing comes there.
Okay. Okay.
I think it goes for both genders,
Yeah.
Yeah.
not something specific to women.
If someone says you're as beautiful as a flower, is it am I crossing the line there?
No.
Okay.
So are we trying to say that poetic harassment is okay?
I don't know. You tell me. Because if you draw the line, people would know.
I think that's harassment.
Okay, so if someone comes and tells me I'm beautiful as a flower or whatever, I'll be like, that's pretty. If someone comes and tells me I have a nice that is not okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What if I say?
Nice. I like it. Let's continue.
Okay. No. Okay. Then I'll stop it right here.
No, say, what if I?
No, it's okay.
Say, it's okay.
Yeah, continue.
You were saying.
Nothing.
But come on, say now.
Because I do not know how they perceive it, but
It's okay, we're just having a conversation. You can say.
no, because she said that someone says you have a nice ass. What if I say your ass beautiful? You got that curve? No, you got that pretty curve like a rainbow. What if I say that? What if I say that? Is it offensive?
I didn't imagine that line.
Yeah, you got. What if I say that you got that double rainbow?
That's harassment. I can tell by their faces.
Poetic harassment.
I don't know. What do you think?
If someone tries doing it purposefully, like for the first time, we'll be like, it's fine, okay. They're just telling it for their own reasons. But when someone's purposefully trying to trigger over a particular thing,
Yeah.
then it gets on to your nerves. Till then, it's fine, okay. Once,
Yeah, even after knowing that you're triggered.
even
and
after
you would
making
be
those faces
offended.
that we're trying to avoid that
Yeah,
conversation,
yeah.
if someone still has it, then it gets worse.
Yeah, it's
Till then, it's fine. It's okay. It's
well,
just someone's
well,
perspective.
it's a tough thing. It's a tough thing because
No, there's always two ways of saying things, right? Like,
Yeah.
come and talk about. It's not okay. I don't care if it looks like a rainbow. People stop to yourself.
No, just giving an example. That's it.
Okay, what if women compliment?
Yeah,
Tell me.
the same way guy says. The same way a guy says you got a pretty.
You all tell me.
What would you say? How would you react?
When some guy compliments my
Point. There's a point. Right there.
Even I would say thanks. Yeah, I just said
Yeah, someone finds something attractive like a rainbow in you. Yeah.
would be kind of flattered. I think, but if
What's up, man?
okay, different gender I understand, but if the same gender someone is complimenting.
Oh, Nidal, you're a genius.
That's
It will still feel a little awkward. Yeah.
What if you're into women?
then it's flirting.
Yeah, exactly.
Who else did not talk?
ಅರುಣ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು 2 ಸತಿ 3 ಸತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
And he'll open up slowly, sir. He's an introvert. And I have
The first season probably I wasn't there, but then later after Valentine's Day and all those things, I gave short, take 2 also was given.
actually police complaint
ಏನಂತ
ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಚಲೋ ನೀವು ತಿಂತೀಯ
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ 2 minutes
ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್.
ಮುಖ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೋತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
This view or this angle is fine. Not like say bringing it right in front of my eye.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ಬಂದೆ
Definitely not.
ಕಮನ್ ಸರ್
Trust me, tomorrow morning we'll sit.
I know some morning everybody is busy in meetings or some work.
I'm not. I'm free for you.
Same questions, angle doesn't matter, the same is the same.
It does a lot.
I feel good going close to the camera. ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ
Yeah, hey.
Hey, call the other girls too. Let's get perspective on all the to say.
No, it's just that none of us want to get up and move.
Who's the one asking us questions?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like really interesting questions.
I don't want to take the center stage on Women's Day.
What do you girls like to talk about on Women's Day?
What do you want us to talk about?
What do you girls want to say?
Thanks for this.
Something which something.
Giving a day for that.
Okay, give us something which what give us something what men do not know that we need to keep in mind.
Give you all something that men don't know. to
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
in
yeah,
mind.
yeah.
I can write volumes on that.
Okay, let's start. Where do we start from?
Volumes, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Where do we start from? Start. Go ahead.
Chivalry is not dead.
Okay.
Please get it back. It'll be really nice.
Okay.
Why do you think women need to be chivalrous?
Because it's nice. It's sweet. Not because we're
Gender
weaker.
equality.
But I'm just talking about being sweet. Because why not? Don't hold a door open for us, but be nice. That's it. When I say chivalry, just be nice. Dude. In this generation, being nice is like chivalry. Actually.
ನಾನು ಬೈಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರೋದೇ ಸೋಲೋ ರೈಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ R15 ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ
Okay.
No, I don't think so. Men are nice.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, like.
because when
Like
you
this
said
is-
chivalry, I thought
So it depends.
hold the door open kind of.
It depends on
Experience.
Not every man are nice. Yeah, all are like, in general men are nice. I don't think they.
Please record this.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Men are nice.
I think it depends on individual experience.
Yeah, to me,
So
I
one by
have
one.
good men around me.
What do you think as men in general? Men are what? I know a lot of.
All men are not nice. Few are. Depends on men. How they. Majority, okay. Men are fine. Nice.
What do you think, Riddhi?
Men are good. I don't think they're bad.
How they behave,
We do have
how
few
they
exceptions,
mindsets
but
are. It depends on that.
You guys behave so nicely, but you don't know what actually they have in their mind.
So even for a woman, you might not know what they have in
So I'm not talking about women or men. Like I'm just talking in general.
I feel everyone
Everyone
knows the
like-
concerned
you can't-
mindset, that's it, and nothing else. If they learn to respect women, for sure.
I don't know why.
Okay. Now. Okay, girls. Okay, girls. Okay.
Men are good.
Okay, girls. We don't want that. Let's have your focus here.
You being
No,
good
because
to the
Shruti had a contradicting statement to say, saying that even if they talk nice, we never know what's going on in their minds.
So that's the second part of the story.
Okay, what's that?
It goes with girls also, no?
Yeah, you don't know.
It goes with individuals.
So it goes to
No, it doesn't have to do with gender.
I'll tell you one case. Let's say I go and I'll talk to a random guy so nicely. Tell me how he'll take it.
Flirting.
It depends on the men also.
Well, since you're pretty, he'll think that okay, yeah, she likes me. That's
He
how.
doesn't know what is going in my mind, right?
Listen,
We
no.
just want to talk to them
Talk to
randomly.
the, yeah, normal. Maybe
No,
I'm
listen.
sweet to everyone.
Then they
No,
feel
listen.
like-
Yeah.
I'm sweet to
Listen,
everyone.
he's an average
I
guy.
give a smile.
That's flirting.
Yeah.
No.
I give smile to every person.
No, it depends
Maybe
on
that is
how
my
he's
nature.
been brought up, alright?
Yeah.
How he's been brought up and whom you're asking.
From experience, I can say no. It's
What's his
not.
opinion? What's his.
No, but product.
Yeah, it is.
Hold on. If I was a guy or a girl and I see my parents fighting, and that is how I have seen, that is how I'll behave to my partner also. Is because that is what I have seen.
No, it depends on you.
Exactly, it depends on me. But what I have
see.
seen is what I would do.
So then individualistic.
That's projecting.
Yeah,
No,
because
don't you
I
think the way you're brought up makes you as an individual?
Yeah.
Yes,
obviously.
that is what we are trying to say.
No, they said no, it's not one of the factors.
Obviously, it is one of the factors.
Come on.
I'm saying no matter if a guy is brought up from a good family or not, he will still make a move.
It's not about family, it's
It's not
about
about
behavior.
It's one of the
about
factors.
ethics that
They
you
will
will learn.
still end of the
Seriously,
day
tell me
make
what
a move.
ethics. Yeah, what ethics they have to
No
make.
matter how great they are, they make a move. Always make a move.
Well, if you're pretty like, if you're pretty like you, if the women are pretty like you. So, tell us about what you're seeing in Bigru these days. How has Bigru changed in the past 1 week? see a rapid change, I see a rapid evolution going on, and I think from just a year, I'm seeing a lot of people evolving. Since the whole company is evolving, so everyone is taking up a lot of load. I think that's the thing why people are talking less and working more.
Okay, so when you shoot in the office, how do you see the other person? What angles do you try to take? What kind of questions do you ask?
Nothing. I want the guy's original personality to come out, and there is always that innocence in it. That I love, and I'm sure the audience will also love to get some of that. That's why I try to make them get calm and talk to them so that they don't try to give out a character. But I'm this in Beagle. I'll be this character in Beagle. No, it doesn't work like that. Bring out what you are. People will love. So Beagle is not a service. It's a hospitality. It's a luxury that people can afford. We want people to experience this, so it's absolutely free. You can get the service. It's not a service. It's a luxury. It's a hospitality.
Any last few words?
That's it. Let's have fun. Let's work together and have fun in that. That's the best part about working. When you have fun, you don't feel like it's work. It needs to be fun. That's how I like to be. I like to say things. Sometimes people might be offended with the things I say, but that's me. I didn't mean to hurt you. Sorry, it wasn't my intent. But I am this way, and I like being this way. So don't mind if I'm a bit offensive. Listen, we were naturally designed to do this, alright? Not harass. To find you pretty.
Yeah.
Alright, to be romantic with you because you people look pretty. Alright, we are naturally designed, inclined.
This is a nice end.
No, natural. It's a natural thing.
It is a natural thing.
If we didn't find you pretty, who would? Other
Wow,
women.
thank you.
Alright. There are only men, women, that's it. Alright. Who would, huh? Aliens, no chance. Ants, nope. Only men. So I think, you shouldn't
Yes, from
say
now on
that.
I'll be very happy about the fact that men find me pretty.
No,
Wake up to
nature
this,
nature intended this
tell
way.
myself this every day.
Nature intended this way. Nature designed us to like you because and you are the fairer sex. That's when they say the fairer sex because you guys look pretty and always decked up.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So and Gautam, which property was shortlisted for this month?
Are you working on RRBC?
Cloud9.
Cloud9.
What is supposed to be done by individual RMs, well, Gautam has been doing it. This page to read.
ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ
ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
So, harassment doesn't mean only a move.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh my god.
Auntie,
Even I want
Sorry girls. Sorry.
Give another day off for us, please.
Well, I thought you girls wanted equality.
Do you think this is objectifying?
No, yeah.
You like it?
very funny.
No, you guys also on November 19th will get a day off.
No, we don't get a day off.
You can take the day off. Even us.
We don't want that. Alright.
Then you don't want a day off.
will give you
We'll work.
the day off.
It's not about that.
Yeah.
No, actually, Wednesday everyone forget.
No, I remember. Muthu, I remember.
I remember that day.
Give one for Neha.
Yeah, I have the same.
You don't
Let's
have.
wear it. They got it for us. So sweet. Thank you guys for getting it.
Hey, put it on. Shruti, put it on.
It's so cute.
There's a lot to go there. Please come.
Oh, yeah.
ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Just shoot them coming.
Yes, sir.
The guidance.
A big applause for me too, ladies.
Whose idea is this?
Yeah. Ask.
Whose idea is this?
You know, even Kiran needs to celebrate Women's Day because he wears a pink. Kiran, Anna. Yeah, do the honors.
Come, everybody. When you finish to teach. Wait, there is one more candidate. Ground.
Can I buy?
Anna, ನೀನ್ ಬಳದ್ರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I thought you girls wanted equality. You son. Yeah.
Happy Women's Day.
Let's do that. Feed everyone.
The cake's gonna become like that. Okay.
Okay, you guys can feed the people whom you like.
Huh?
Yeah. Who?
Sir, first you to give them small gifts on Women's Day.
Oh yeah.
Give me the surface.
We'll have later. We'll have this.
Kiran wants it. Kiran. Yeah, no. No, shut.
Why are you so scared?
Yeah.
Just take it.
It's a name.
Before this, who all were in charge of the arrangements, idea and all of that? Please come forward.
Don't be shy.
Don't take credit. Actual guys,
I'm gonna hijack. Me. All me, no one else. I worked hard for this.
Tanuj and Muthu.
Thanks for taking the initiative. Thank you so much.
Thank you for everything. Yeah, open it.
Thanks, Tanuj.
Navina, yeah, Navina was the one who called me. Navina, Danush.
Danush did the packing for every.
Anantara, you might want to get this. So what's in the box?
Gold necklace, congratulations.
Jumkis.
No, that's for Kiran then. If there is a Jumki, it's for Kiran. Yeah.
Wow.
What is this?
That is nice.
Is that you? What does it look like you? Ashwini, police station threat, no?
Thank you so much for this, and then this and everything. And to everyone, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Alright, happy Women's Day.
International Men's Day. Full end up